At Prodigy Exclusive Company, we are on a mission to bring sustainable, reliable, and uninterrupted energy solutions to homes and businesses across Nigeria. Today, we are heading to the vibrant town of Abraka, Delta State, to deliver an energy transformation at Osase Salon, including a 7.5 kWh hybrid inverter, a powerful 15 kWh lithium battery. This system is designed to ensure smooth operations for businesses. We've arrived in Abraka and it's time to get started. This salon is a bustling hub for the community, offering services that rely heavily on consistent power. But today, we are putting an end to power outages here. Our goal is to ensure businesses like this one never lose valuable time or customers due to power cuts. Let's get to work. The star of today's installation is this powerful 15 kWh lithium battery. Compact, durable, and designed to deliver consistent energy storage. This battery ensures power is available even when the sun isn't shining. This battery can keep essential appliances running for hours, making it a game changer for businesses. With the battery unboxed, it's time to prepare the panels that will capture clean, renewable energy from the sun. Our 6.6 kWh solar panels are designed to harness the abundant sunlight here in Abraka. By positioning them at the optimal angle, we ensure maximum energy generation throughout the day. We take every detail into account, from the direction of the sun to the roof structure, to ensure these panels perform at their peak. Next, we install the 7.5 kWh hybrid inverter. This device is the brain of the system, seamlessly converting solar energy into usable electricity and switching between solar power, battery storage, and the grid as needed. Our wiring process is thorough and professional, ensuring a clean, safe, and efficient setup that delivers uninterrupted power. With everything connected, it's time to test the system and see it in action. The moment of truth. Let's power up Osase Salon and see how solar energy transforms. Follow us on all social media platforms to see more of our projects. And let us bring sustainable energy solutions to you. Prodigy Exclusive Company, powering your future today. At Prodigy Exclusive Company, we don't just install solar systems. We bring peace of mind to businesses and homes across Nigeria. Ready to transform your energy needs? Contact us today. 0912-441-8659 for calls and WhatsApp. And social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Prodigy Exclusive Company.